Good morning, class 10. So we have already finished mean, no? How to find the mean. So today we'll start median, okay? So first is you have to understand what is median. So median is the value of middle term of a set of variables when the variables of the set are arranged in ascending or descending order. So median is the middle term, okay? Middle term of the given set of variables if those variables are arranged in ascending or descending order. Okay, so here is example. To find the median of these 5 numbers, first we have to arrange the number either in ascending order or in descending order. So here the numbers are arranged in ascending order. So the middle one is 7. This is your median. Okay, but we have formula here. Okay, to find the median, what to do is we have to apply formula 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, there are 5 terms. So when n is odd, n means you can use your small n or capital N. Okay, so when n is odd means if there are odd numbers, then the formula is n plus 1 by 2th term. Okay, so n is 5, 1 2 3 4 5. 5 plus 1 by 2 is 5 plus 1 6. 6 by 2 is third term. So 1 2 3 7 is your answer. But it can be like there can be even numbers also. There can be 6 numbers, there can be 8 numbers also. No, for that, okay, formula is different. So here to find the median, okay, we have to take the 2 middle terms. Suppose there are one more number, suppose 11, then you have to take these 2 numbers. Okay, these 2 numbers you have to add these 2 numbers and divide it by 2. So here formula is n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term whole divided by 2. This is formula for your even numbers. See here example is given. First you arrange the number in ascending order, then we will count. Okay, how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8 numbers, means even number. No, so your formula is median is equal to n. N is 8, n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. So 8 by 2 is 4th term is 8 and 4 plus 1 5th term is 10. So 8 plus 10 divided by 2. So here 4th term plus 5th term, 8 plus 10 divided by 2, answer is 9. And here is a formula for median, okay, when the question is in tabular form, when the question is given in table. Okay, so here formula is n by 2th term for n is even. Okay, you can use your small n also, n is even, and n plus 1 by 2th term for n is odd. This is for table 1. If the question is given in tabular form, this is formula, and if the question is given only numbers, you have to use that previous formula. Now quartiles. First you have to understand what is quartile. Quartile means 1/4 portion. Okay, so quartiles are those values of the variate which divides the total set of data in 4 equal parts. So quartile means 1/4 portion. Okay, if the quadrants are, if the variant are divided into 4 equal parts, okay, that value you have to find. So we have upper quartile and lower quartile. Lower quartile is n by 4th term for n is even. Okay, here n by 2, no, median, because it is a middle term, and if it is odd then n plus 1 by 4th term. Here for median it is n by 1 plus n plus 1 by 2th term. Now is upper quartile. Okay, upper quartile is denoted by Q3, lower quartile is denoted by Q1. So upper quartile you just have to multiply here by 3 n by 4, and here also 3 n plus 1 by 4. 3 will be here outside. Okay, 3 times of n plus 1 by 4 term for n is odd. Now another one is interquartile. Interquartile means upper quartile minus lower quartile. You have to subtract the value of upper quartile and lower quartile to get interquartile range. Okay, so you have to understand this. Median n by 2. Okay, n plus 1 by 2 for odds, and for lower quartile 4 here, and for upper quartile you just have to multiply here by 3. Now we will start exercise 24C. A student got the following marks in 9 questions of a question paper. Here are marks, okay, obtained by a student. So in 9 questions, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, you have to find the median of these marks. So first you need to arrange the given numbers in ascending order. 0, 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to arrange. Now count how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is odd. So for odd, median is denoted by Q2. For odd, formula is n plus 1 by 2th term. So n is 9. 9 plus 1 by 2 is 10. 10 by 2 is 5th term. So 5th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your median. Now next one is number 3. In question number 3, okay, you find this answer yourself. Number 3 is, in this question you have to find the median, lower quartile, upper quartile and interquartile range. First you have to arrange this number in ascending order. So here the numbers are arranged in ascending order. Now you have to count how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So again 19 is odd, no? So to find median, formula is n plus 1 by 2th term. 19 plus 1, 20. 20 by 2 is 10th term. Now see which one is 10th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 29 is median. Lower quartile is Q1 and its formula is n plus 1 by 4. So n is 19. 19 plus 1, 20. 20 by 4 is 5th term. So we have to check which one is 5th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your 5th term. So lower quartile is 26. Now we have to find upper quartile. Upper quartile is 3, n plus 1 by 4. So 3 will be outside. 19 plus 1, 20. So 3 into 20 by 4. 4 5s are 20. 5 3s are 15th term. Now we will check which one is 15th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 35. So here upper quartile is 35. Now interquartile means upper quartile minus lower quartile. Value of upper quartile is 35 and the value of lower quartile is 26. So 35 minus 26, 9. So 9 is interquartile range. Now we'll do question number 5. Here the question is given in this form. Your age is given 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and frequency 2, 4, 6, 10, 8, 7. Find the median. Okay, so we have different methods, okay, to find the median here. So here in this question I will add more questions. Okay, question is only to find median, but in this question only we will find mode, lower quartile and upper quartile. So for this, okay, you have to make 3 columns for age and frequency and one is cumulative frequency. Now I will teach you how to find cumulative frequency. First you have to copy the same, then cumulative frequency is 2 will remain 2 here. Now to find the second one, 2 plus 4 you have to do. 2 plus 4 is 6. Then 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 10 is 22. 22 plus 8 is 30. 30 plus 7 is 37. So if you add this number, you will get n is equal to 37. Okay, now we have to find the median. So for this table 1, okay, formula is, it is odd, no? So formula is n plus 1 by 2th term. Okay, so n is 37. 37 plus 1 is 38. 38 by 2 is 19th term. So median is 19th term. Okay, so which one is your answer? We have to check that. So 19th term we don't have in cumulative frequency 19, but 19 lies between 12 and 22. Okay, in between 12 and 22 you have to see the greater number. So answer is 14. Okay, this is your median, 14. Okay, if you get 28 suppose, okay, then 22 and 30, it lies between 22 and 30, your answer will be 15. So here our median is 19th term. So 19th term lies between 12 and 22, but we have to take this 22, okay, greater number. So answer is 40. So you have to write here because 19th lies in cumulative frequency 22, answer is 40. Okay, now let's find lower quartile and upper quartile, then I will teach you what is mode. Okay, so lower quartile formula is n plus 1 by 4th term. So n is 37, 37 plus 1, 38 by 4, 9.5th term, okay, 9.5. So here we don't have 9.5, but it lies between 6 and 12, but you have to take this 12. So answer is 13. So 9.5 lies in the cumulative frequency of 12. So answer is 13. So upper quartile you will get 28.5th term. So we don't have 28.5, but in between 22 and 30 it lies. So you have to check this 30. Answer is 15. So it lies in cumulative frequency 30. So answer is 15. Now I will tell you what is mode. Okay. Mode is the value which occurs most frequently in a set of observations. So mode is that value which occurs repeatedly, okay, which occurs many times, okay, in the observation, and it is the point of maximum frequency. So it is the maximum frequency. Mode is maximum frequency. So here in this table you have to check which one is maximum. 10 is maximum, so answer is 14 here. Okay, so mode is 14, age having maximum frequency. So from exercise 24D, okay, I will do question number 8. Okay, so here in this question you have to find the modal score, you have to find the median score, total score, and his mean score. So we have to make here 3 columns. Okay, then score, frequency, cumulative frequency to find median, but here mean is also asked, no? So for mean also we will find fx here only. Okay, we will not make another table to find mean. Here only we will add fx, and in the same table we will find all mean, median, and mode. Okay, so first we will find cumulative frequency. For median we have to find cumulative frequency. So 0 will remain 0. Second one is 0 plus 3, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 7, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. So summation f or n. Summation f and n are same. So you have to add all this. You will get this 25 here. This is for your median. Now to find mean, okay, we will use a direct method. We will find fx. So f into x. This is x. This is f. So 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 6, 12, 3 into 4, 12, 4 into 7, 28, 5 into 5, 25. Okay, so here we will find fx also. Summation fx is 80. Now modal score means I have told you that mode means your maximum frequency. So your maximum frequency is 7. So answer is 4. So modal score is 4. Now median score. Median score means you have to find median. So here it is odd. 25 is odd. So formula is n plus 1 by 2th term. So 25 plus 1 is 26. 26 by 2 is 13th term. So in cumulative frequency we have 13. So answer is 3 here. So median score is 3. Now total score. So total score is this one. Okay, total score is 80. So 80. Now we have to find mean score. Mean formula. This is direct method. Summation fx by summation f. So summation fx is 80 and summation f is 25. So 16 by 5, 3.2. This is your answer. Now we'll do one question from exercise 24E. Okay, remaining question are based on graphs. So we will do in next class. So calculation part we will finish first. So in question number 16, the median of the observations 11, 12, 14, x minus 2, x plus 4, x plus 9, 32, 38, 47. These are arranged in ascending order and its median is given 24. You have to find the value of x, and after finding the value of x, you have to find the mean. Okay, this is your ICSE 2013 question. It is already written in ascending order. It is already arranged. So here n, you have to count the numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is odd. So median is already given 24. You write here 24. Then n plus 1 by 2th term. N is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 by 2th term is 5th term. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your median. So 5th term is 24 and 5th term is x plus 4 is 24. So x is 24 minus 4 is 20. So the value of x is 20. Now you put here the value of x, then you will get this new set of numbers. Now we have to find mean. Okay, so in this type of question, how to find mean? We have to add all the numbers, then divide it by number. Okay, so on adding the number, it is 225 divided by 9. You can cancel. 9 2s are 18, 9 5s are 45. So answer is 25 here. Another question is question number 17. This is ICSE 2015 question. Here also the numbers are arranged in ascending order, and in this question mean and median are equal. If the mean of the observation is equal to the median, here in this question mean and medians are equal, then what is the value of x? That you have to find. So capital N means how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So n is 6 even. So median is equal to mean. So for median, okay, if it is even, then formula is n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. And mean is very simple. You just have to add all the numbers, then divide it by 6. N is 6, 6 by 2, here 6 by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. You have to add only numbers, then 49 plus x by 6. Or you will get third term plus fourth term by 2. Okay. So here which one is third term? 1, 2, 3. This one is third term and this one is your fourth term. So 10 plus 12 by 2 is equal to 49 plus x by 6. 10 plus 12 is 22. 22 by 2 is 11. No, this is 11. Then 11 into 6, 66 is equal to 49 plus x. So x is 66 minus 49, 17. So answer is 17. X is equal to 17. So in next class we will do graph.